Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Haylou application or Haylou Fun application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, you should see the Haylou RS3 right here at the top of the page. You can tap on it and this should open the device page for your Haylou RS3 watch. Now scroll down through this page, find the unbind button, tap on it and tap on confirm. The watch will disappear from the home page. Now we can close the app and also the watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.